Alright, same bike, same suspension setup, just different tires and tire PSI. Today I'm running Assegai MaxxTerra front and rear to see if I get the traction I have on the yes. Same traction or similar as the Heckler. Yep, I just gotta trust it. Yeah. Wrong gear. Single speeded. And here's the climb. Yeah, I like the feel of the tires. I just don't like the climbing part. I think it's too much tires. I mean, I knew that. I saw one of the videos where they did a rolling test. I think it's Vital MTB. They put Assegai MaxxGrip. I mean, Assegai MaxxTerra front and rear versus DHR front and aggressor rear, also MaxxTerra, and the MaxxTerra Assegai wanted like less rolling resistance. So here I am, and let me tell you, that's a lot of resistance. I want the aggressor back. Oh, you did get stronger. Look at you. Good job. Whew. A lot of mosquitoes here, so we have our bug nets on. We're going at 1 mile per hour here. Yeah. Maybe I need to lower down the PSI a little bit more. So we've done 6 miles, almost 1,600 feet. Yeah, the tires definitely has a lot more rolling resistance. Did have to lower down the PSI a little bit in the front only. So far so good. Obviously I can't corner as hard as the Heckler because that bike is just heavier. It has 29er in the front, so there's more contact patch to the ground, and it has MaxxGrip. So light. Well, oh, they're chicks on the trail. I thought it was. Dude, that's so cool. I almost run one over. I thought it was like a tree bark. Yeah. Oh, turkey chicks. There's some right there. Take a video. Show the girls. Oh yeah, these tires feels good. So much grip. Oh man, the experience today is so much better from last week. The bike is so light. It's like doing a 3-foot bunny hop, but it's really probably only a foot. And it feels good. It's definitely a lot more traction than last week with these tires. I don't feel it rolling any slower on the downhill. like my my Heckler with the MaxxGrip Assegai. Those were pretty slow on flat trails. The suspension on the Heckler is a lot more supple on the stutter bumps like that. This one I think has something to do with the weight. This bike, it's not light. It's 29 pounds now with these tires. It was 27 pounds. But still light compared to a 51-pound e-bike. I do feel the front is still breaking traction, but it's controlled. Like there. The MaxxGrip, it would rarely break traction, so maybe I'll put a MaxxGrip Assegai here. But if I do that, then I put aggressor in the back, I don't think I'll have balanced traction. The back end would be whipping around, and I don't like that feeling. Shift, 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 stand up. Look up, look up. Pedal, 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 pedal. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Pedal, 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 pedal. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Good job. Oh, oh man. Yeah. You say so.